going to show you how to do a rose using foil. I already polished the nail black, and then I applied Poochiez Nails matte top coat to the nail. I'm creating this design using Poochiez Nails STIQUICK foil gel and Poochiez Nails block brush. When you create your design, you want to kind of start out with a shape that looks kind of like a backward C. It depends on which way you want it to go. When I create my petals, I'll start out with a dot, and then I'll drag one end of the petal, and then I'll drag the other end. You don't want the petal to go too far overlapping the previous petal. You want to remember to leave space in between the petals, because when you place the foil, you want to be able to see the black that's in the background. Another thing that I wanted to mention was the reason that I put the matte top coat down, it helps me to see exactly where the design is. So say for instance, if this nail was shiny, it will be hard to see exactly where each petal is going. Notice that as the rows get bigger, the shapes now look like a wide triangle, but you want to be sure to soften the top and the ends up. You don't want it to be as sharp. Remember to leave that space in between each petal. Put your dot down, drag outward in one direction, and drag outward into the other direction. You don't want to drag inward. You want to always be sure to drag the petal outward in each direction. Now that the nail has been cured, I'm going to apply the foil onto the nail. And I like to use gloves when applying foil. It just gives it that extra grip when smoothing the foil out. When removing the foil, you want to do it gently. If one side seems a little iffy, go to the other side and remove it. As you can see, all the foil is removed. Sometimes I turn my paper over and press in the loose foils. That prevents it from getting inside of the top coat and on the negative part of the nail. Now I'm going to go over the entire nail with Poochiez Nails gel top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. This is what the nail looks like after it's been cured. Order now from thenailartboutique.com.